Memory verse mo may.
John 3:16.
Psalm
Ay, haman to pro.
verse 6.
Ay, ang text Jacob, ana.
I forgot. Okay. Ate, finale. Nirace mo kasamahan. What's your memory verse?
John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Ephesians 4 verse 32. Be kind and tender-hearted to one another. Forgive one another just as I forgive you.
Ang napaprayer na to.
Okay, there's one more.
Wala, grabe.
Ito, Ephesians. I-check daw, ate. Kung sakto.
Kato na yung kuhan. John
I'm
3:16.
gonna copy.
Oh, one.
I'm gonna copy. No, actually, I think it's Ephesians 6 verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Correct, ang tulo?
I don't know the second one.
Ito to second.
Ephesians 4 verse 32.
Ephesians 4:32.
Be kind and tender-hearted to one another. Forgive one another just as I forgive you.
Yeah, pick up.
Wow. Congratulations. Ay,
Sub-sub.
Maura ni Merry Christmas ka gulay, oh.
okay.
Uy, kalamira.
Isaiah 41 verse 10. So do not be afraid, for I am with you. I am your God. I don't know.
It's appropriate natin.
Wait, that's
I
correct.
say,
Each memory verse 50 pesos.
No,
Yeah.
on some one verse.
Isaiah 41 verse 10. First John 4. My mom has a shirt. 8. My mom has a shirt. God's love.
Yeah.
Correct.
Correct. Ikaw. Ano ba? Chance. Ano to?
John 3:16. First John. Literally said that before Fina said that.
1 John 4,
8.
8. As look at it.
The first John 4:8.
What is this? God's love.
Shortcut lang. Ganis lang.
No, it's not.
For shortcut.
For sure ka daw, sure. Memory ko gani, memory verse.
Boy.
Mommy, can I drink
Ito yung tama
Korean?
ka
Okay.
na na karki.
Ha?
Can I drink Korean?
Inom
Dala
sa
dong, da. Daw.
O, dito.
Dala imong mani.
Iti mo dito.
Is this mine? Is this mine?
I don't know. No, I don't know. Kang daddy na? Ka daddy na. Oh.
Dito mo tamo. At kaya ba na dito? Sabi mo dito ba?
Inuman.
Ano hindi ako tamo?
Mga unta na. The kids eat.
Mga una mo.
Ang mga toys, mga gift. Gift.